What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Now, we are here today. It is Saturday. I told you guys I like to drop a video on Saturdays and Wednesdays. Now, I don't have any content for you guys right now. Honestly, I don't have any type of content for you. I went out to the mall today. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see me just a random day of mine, like of me just not picking up any heat, you know what I mean, any sneakers or whatever, because I don't get shoes every day. Like, it's rare that I walk into Foot Locker or Champs or Finish Line or anything, because there's really not nothing in there I want, you know what I mean? Like, I said it at the beginning of this year, I really just want heat this year. Like, a lot of stuff that I wear like this, you can't find at Foot Locker or Foot Action or Champs. Like, this is a $900 sneaker. Like, you're not gonna find that there. But it is the weekend, and when you're off on the weekend, you ain't got nothing to do. Look at this. I still ain't got a haircut. I'm wilding. Let me tell you guys, story time. First off, I was supposed to go to Chicago SneakerCon. I was there. I was in there. I got my plane ticket, everything. It was a last minute thing, you know what I mean? What it was I seen Jumpin' Man Chris getting ready to go, and he had posted a picture of his homage to the homes or whatever, and then Conceited hit me up, and he was like, yo, son, I'm going. And I'm like, word, man, I'm trying to get out there now, you know what I mean? I really wanted to go after that. Like, after that, I was in. Like, I wanted to go. Bam! Got the plane ticket. Plane ticket cost some chicken, too, because it was the last minute. I didn't know that that's how that works. The plane tickets cost extra when you book at the last minute. I didn't know that's how that worked. I was really pissed about that. But the problem was I could not find a place to stay. So, you know, a lot of times you see whoever, they got 2 beds in a room. So I hit up my man. He was like, nah, boom, boom, boom. I don't even have a room yet. I'm like, yo, that's crazy. Like, you know what I mean? What do I do? So it just came down to the nitty gritty, and I couldn't do anything. So we was able to get all the bread back from the flight, thank God. And that was it for that. So, you know, it was a dub, man. I didn't make it out to Chicago, unfortunately. And it's a bummer. But I was off this weekend, like I am every weekend. And I did pick up a few things, you know what I mean? Of course, y'all know how it is with the Funko Pops. Let me show y'all those real quick. I'm not gonna go over that a whole lot, but let me show you guys real quick. First off, I did get Korg from Ragnarok. I remember him. He was like the rock guy that's hanging out with Thor or whatever in the Endgame movie. This pop is dope. Like, they were playing games or whatever in Thor's little man cave. Real dope. Another Endgame pop, we do have Hulk with the sushi or whatever. That was dope. I remember Hulk. He was like half him, half Banner or whatever. Real dope pop. I like the way it looks. He's holding the sushi in his hand, as you can see. Real dope pop. Happy to have a part of the collection. For some reason, I don't know why I don't have a Wolverine in my, you know, Marvel collection or whatever, but I did find this Wolverine, and today in Durham, I forgot the name of the store, Box Lunch is what I think it was called. Yes, Box Lunch. It was not Lunchbox, but Box Lunch. And yeah, man, Wolverine is real dope. Randomly, another Pikachu just up and came out from nowhere. Had to cop the Pikachu. You already know, because in a few months or whatever, it's going to be rare. No one's going to be able to find them, but this is a new Pikachu. His ears are like flying to the side or whatever. Yeah, man. And last but not least, I did get the Coca-Cola bear. This is fire. I thought at one point this was only available at the Coca-Cola factory in Atlanta, but I found it at the Box Lunch place, so hey, it is what it is. Next up on the list, man, this was crazy. So today in the mall, this console was sitting there, and like they had like a price tag for something else on there on top of this. So when the lady rang it up, it came up to $80, but the price tag said 60. So there was a big, huge uproar or whatever, and eventually, you know, we made it happen for 60 bones. So we do have the Sega Genesis Mini for $60, which was crazy. So y'all know I'm about to get crazy with this, you know what I mean? I do have the regular Genesis, but it's always good just to have this to plug and play and keep it moving. Next up, I do have a package. I think this is actually from Conceited or whatever. Yeah, the Hollywood Apparel. The Hollywood Apparel, I don't know what this is. Let's see, let's check it out. Hold up. Shout out to Conceited. I think this is some shit he sent me. Let's see. Woo! Got some in here. All right, so this looks like a green hoodie with this Herb's face on it, which is crazy. I got a yellow tee. Matter of fact, let's take them all out. And a red hoodie. This is dope. Let's check it out. All right, first off, let's check out the red hoodie. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, so this is dope. Y'all seen it before. I've had the black and the gray one or whatever, but it does say slow it down and just dished you on there. Little red joint, man. Nice for the holiday season. Go with a few fits, man. These fit pretty comfortably. Real dope. I like this one. This is fire. Let me know if you guys, as a matter of fact, want any of these, and I'm gonna link them down below. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get the code and all that from him or whatever. Then I'm gonna link these down below. I think I have before, but these are dope. Slow it down. I'll do a fit. You'll see me wearing it, in a matter of fact, while I'm talking over the B-roll. But yes, we do have the red one on deck. That's real dope. Let's check out the shirt, though. I didn't know no t-shirt was coming. This is fire. All right, so we do have a slow it down. I just dished you hoodie, and it has hints of blue on it. This is fire, man. I like this one. I like this, yo. This is dope. This is dope. What y'all think about this one here? This is hard. And it has some sort of crazy font. There is a, there's a stoplight. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. You, CO, I get it. You didn't trick me. You didn't fool me. I get it. You probably tricked everybody else on the internet, but you didn't trick me. Ha! Slow it down. You get it? Yellow light. Slow down when you see the yellow light. You have to yield. I get it. I understand. Herb, I figured you out. Huh? Perfect. I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like too. This is fire. This is fire. Ha! I like that. I like that. Last but not least, we're gonna get into this green hoodie. Now, this one looks like it got this Herb's face on it. So, we'll see about that. I'm gonna be wearing this one. This video is so unprofessional. I'm sitting in the middle of the kitchen. I'm tired, man. I've been walking around the mall all day, but this is the green hoodie right here. Y'all seen the meme before, the Conceited meme. So this is like the cartoon drawn up one or whatever. Real dope. I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like while I have it on too. But yeah, so these are the 3 items that was in the box, man. This was the nice little unboxing for you guys today, man. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this small little video, man. This is all I really had to offer you guys because I ain't got nothing else going on right now. I will tell you this. I'm about to order some kicks off of StockX. These shoes just went down in price. I really wanted them. Scratch that. Let me know how many of y'all took an L last night on all those sneakers, or those 2 sneakers. The freaking Yeezy Aliens was crazy. The Travis Scott Lows was crazy. Then you wake up the next morning, which is this morning, and took another L on the freaking Travis Scott. You know, I'm just getting tired of the L's. I'm getting tired of it. Like, it's draining me. It's really taking my soul, and I'm walking around the mall and I'm mad. I'm still mad, like, yo, I'm Mr. Entertainment. I'm a shoe tuber. Why wouldn't I win? I'm supposed to have this shoe to show you guys, and I don't have it. So that was crazy. I'm mad. I'm sorry, but I'm working on getting that shoe for you guys. Either way, there's 1,000 more reviews out there. Come Wednesday, everyone's gonna be getting their pairs, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be beating everybody over the head for them. We're not getting them. We're not paying resale for them, at least right now, right away. I'm still good with these, you feel me? But for now, hopefully you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. If you watch this video, subscribe. Just subscribe to it, man. You know what I mean? Because I definitely do got heat coming. This one, you guys may not have liked this video too much because it's not an early sneaker release or whatever, but I do got some heat coming for you guys in the future. It is your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Peace.